Hi everybody, my name is Alex and welcome back to Murphy Bed Studios. And today I'm going to show you another one of our collections. It's called the Davenport. And the Davenport is a little bit different from our Chicago collection, which has a desk that could be folded back in, while this collection, our Davenport, has a stationary desk. It's a nice option to have because you don't have to move any of your things up to 8.5 inches when you're working behind the desk. So instead of moving everything out, you can actually just open the bed and actually sleep in it without having to move anything. And I will show you a little bit about that on this specific collection. So this collection is made out of nutty alder, the one we're looking at right now. It is stained with one of our most popular stain colors, which is the Special Walnut made by Old Masters. Great stain, like I said before, on nutty alder, just really makes it pop. So the feature of this specific collection is that we do have our 3.5-inch solid wood crown mold. Along with that, these handles are oiled rubbed. Our SN12 is what they are. And then as you can see, we have our stationary desk on here. So the depth of this desk is 21 inches. It does sit at 28 inches off the floor, so basically on a standard height of a table. So you can roll up a chair or use just a standard chair to accommodate this specific table. So when you're ready to open our Davenport collection, it's the same way that you would open any one of our other Murphy beds. You don't have to touch or take anything off the table that's below the 8.5 inches. As you can see, once you start pulling the bed down, the desk stays in the stationary position. Just like all of our other collections, this specific Murphy bed is also 16 inches deep. We do have the 15-inch headboard. Along with that, on this specific collection, the customer upgraded to our LED remote control light system that is also dimmable, so you can dim it up and dim it down. So it's great when you're laying in bed and you don't have the main lights turned on. You don't have to get out of your bed to turn it off. And so you just click the button and go to sleep. To close the bed, all you have to do is come to the edge of the bed and just pull it up. As you're pulling it up, as you can see, the table is sliding right up with the bed. Once the bed is up, you can grab a chair and continue doing your work on your table. So like I said before, when you are sitting in a standard chair, we're sitting in a beautiful and very comfortable gaming chair. The desk is 28 inches to the top of the desk from the floor, depending on your surface. So this one's carpet. So if it was hardwood, it would probably be maybe another 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch taller. As far as the depth of this, it's 21 inches and 8.5 inches to the height of the backdrop, which is the backsplash of this, is what I would call it. So that gives you a lot of extra room to have your files, have your organizers, have your laptop. Laptop, you would probably have to close it as you're opening the bed. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this entire video. I'm glad you guys got a chance to see our Davenport collection. If you want to see more videos and other collections, please click the videos in our channel. Also, please subscribe to our channel as we do come out with new videos every single week. You can also find new content that we produce on Instagram and Facebook on our pages. Please subscribe to this channel, click the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click that bell notification icon for our next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next episode.